Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about modernizing legacy IVR. Now we've all been there. You call customer support for something very simple, and suddenly you are trapped. A maze of numbers, confusing menus, endless hold music. An IVR system that was built decades ago, before smartphones, before the cloud, before AI. And in that moment, it hits you. We are living in a world of on demand everything, but we are still relying on customer service technology that hasn't evolved in 20 years. Have a look at what bad customer experience looks like.
Thanks for calling. For English, press 1, Spanish, press 2. For billing and payments, press 1 or say billing. For new service, press 2 or say service. For technical support, press 3 or say support. For promotions, press 4 or say promotions. For hours and locations, press 5 or say hours. To repeat this menu,
Billing.
press 6 or say. I am sorry. You have selected an invalid option. For billing and payments, press 1 or say billing.
Agent.
For new service, I am sorry. You have selected an invalid option. For billing and payments, press 1 or say billing. For new service, press 2 or say service. For technical support,
There are very few things Americans agree on these days. But when it comes to terrible IVRs, we all speak the same language: frustration. Now, let's have a look at what a modern IVR looks like. A modern IVR that leverages AI powered routing. What you're about to look at is the Talk Desk Navigator.
Thanks for calling Talk Desk Medical. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi. I need Prozac.
Sure, I will be happy to assist you with refilling your prescription. Please stand by. Thanks for calling Talk Desk Medical. How can I help you?
Necesito una copia de mi expediente médico.
De acuerdo. Permítame conectarlo con alguien que pueda ayudarlo a localizar sus registros médicos.
thanks for calling Liberty Investments. Please authenticate yourself using our advanced voice biometric system.
My password is my voice.
Thank you. You have been successfully authenticated using our voice biometric system. How can I help you today, Pat Thompson? You can speak to me in any language you prefer.
Yeah, I've been looking for my card all over. It seems to have vanished into thin air.
I am sorry to hear that. Let me transfer you to someone who can assist you with your lost credit card.
Now, as you saw across all three call experiences, the caller was never forced through an endless maze of menu options. Instead, they simply spoke in plain language, used everyday expressions, and even interacted in the language of their choice. I spoke in Spanish, AI was still able to figure out the topic. Now, this dramatically reduces call abandonment. Yes, call abandonment happens mostly at this stage because people don't want to deal with these menu options and they just don't get through. At this point, apparently, in the customer experience space, call abandonment average is about 22%. Yes, 22% of the calls are not getting through to the right people. That's a lot of business being lost there. Now, this type of experience also enables a far more precise and efficient routing. Imagine, how many times does it happen where we call in and we are routed to someone and they're right, oh, I'm not the right person, let me transfer you. And then there's another endless transfer, again, listening to the whole music. This is causing a lot of issues, not just for the customer who's calling in, but even for the contact center, because sometimes these calls get routed to multiple BPOs, and every time the call is transferred, they incur a charge. So, this is a big problem. So, we got to elevate the entire customer experience using this modern IVR. Now, let's look at a more advanced use case.
All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to call in and report a credit card fraud. And if the fraud amount is more than $1,000, then we want to send it right away to the fraud specialist. And if it's less than $1,000, then we want to put it in a callback queue.
Thanks for calling TalkDesk Banking. How can I help you today?
Yeah, someone charged $4,200 on my credit card in another state.
I am sorry to hear that. Let me transfer you to our fraud specialist right away.
All right, so as you can see, the call came in and the topic is fraud. Here's the actual message that I said, and here's the fraudulent amount based on which the call came in straight into the agent. So let's try this one more time, and this time we will use a different fraud amount.
Thanks for calling TalkDesk Banking. How can I help you today?
Yeah, someone charged $100 on my credit card today.
All our representatives are busy right now. We are putting you in our callback queue, and we'll call you back at the number you are calling from in a short while.
Okay, so as you saw, this time the call went to the callback queue instead of directly to the fraud specialist. And that decision was made here based on the entity that we extracted right here, which was, the actual amount from the contact message. So in the first case, it was $4,200, which is greater than 1,000. So it goes to a fraud specialist right away. And the second case was less than $1,000. So it goes into a callback queue.
As you saw, legacy IVRs were built for a world of button pressing and blind transfers. But today's customers expect conversations, not menus. By moving away from outdated IVR systems and adopting AI powered routing with TalkDesk Navigator, enterprises can transform the call experience. See, calls are understood in real time, intelligently routed based on intent, urgency, and context, and delivered to the right specialist on the first try. The result is shorter wait times, fewer transfers, higher customer satisfaction, and measurable operational gains starting on day one. Modern customer experience isn't a future goal. With AI, it is available right now. Thanks for watching.